Is it?
63.
Man, it's beautiful. What size motor?
1200.
1200.
Fire breather.
Fire breather.
I can smoke any scooter out on the street.
That is phenomenal.
Welcome back to the community, everybody, and thank you for being part of it. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. And if you want cool t-shirts, just check it out, the website, and you can even make a donation securely through PayPal. It helps keep the channel going. Today, again, this weekend, Dino, our faithful community member, had decided to film an event while he was there for us, and I so appreciate it. I even received 2 emails, and I have to tell him, thanking him, I guess they didn't know how to get in touch with him, for doing what he does. They're hoping he continues weekly to do this because people are enjoying seeing other events and where they're at. So thank you, brother. I appreciate that. Let's take a look at this. I have my cheat sheet available here. Ta-da. And this is Pherm Brewery. It's on the second Sundays of every month, okay? And it is in Crofton, Maryland. And I hope I'm pronouncing everything properly, okay? This great event is held by our friends at the Air Raid Car Club. What a cool name, huh? Really? And he said they're a great group of people. That's awesome. And truthfully, it is hosted by Pherm Brewery, and it's in Anne Arundel County. So, my hat's off to Dino for doing this, and the Air Raid Car Club. I hope you continue to grow. Every time this is filmed, we'll put it on the channel and give you a shout out so that you get more and more people that are aware of it. So let's take a look at this video, and I'll be back at the end.
I'm here with my boy Phil, and where are we, Phil?
We are at Pherm Brewery in Crofton, Maryland.
And what are we doing here, Phil?
It's the second Sunday event at VW Air Raid. That's the name of our little group here. And we get together once every second Sunday to just get together all the air raid crew.
And how long have you been doing this now?
About a year and a half. It's been a really good turnout. We were inspired by the guys down in Texas, BW Life, and he said, you know what, just do it consistently every week and or every month, and eventually your turnout will grow. And man, he's been right.
Man, look at that. Yeah, we got cars everywhere coming back around that way. And I guess the most important question is, what do you drive, Phil?
I drive a 67 Beetle. Of course, it's in the shop, so it's not here today. But yeah, I drive a Lotus White 67.
Right on. All right, Phil, thank you so much, man.
Thank you,
Boom.
man.
All right, we'll get some video of these beautiful cars. What year is it?
63.
Man, it's beautiful. What size motor?
1200.
1200.
Fire breather.
Fire breather.
I can smoke any scooter out on the street.
That is phenomenal. Let's see the license plate. Thank you so much, sir.
Sure. I try and go through school zones at 30 miles an hour.
Do you ever have to clean bugs off the back?
Yeah, where they slam in you.
Yeah. Man, tremendous. Have a great day, man. Safe travel.
Ready? John Hernandez here. This is my 1968 Volkswagen Type 3. It's called Fozzie Back. There's a bunch going on here, but basically, this is down the Forester XT that was rolled over. I got rid of all the old Forester stuff. He locked me good. Got a Forester XT engine, about 240 horsepower. Got my little Fozzie Back pig on here, and got a bunch of things going on. Had a length in the body. Got 17s on it. Got my electric windows. Got my plumbing rack up here. My tool box. A ladder over here. My pop outs. Fozzie Back on Instagram. Got 2 gas tank covers. One for fuel. One for air. 71 doors and hatches. Got my Pepsi cooler and my vacuum cleaner, my Electrolux, and very good old car. And see my nice interior here.
Oh, wow. Yeah, so the dash is actually the Forester dash.
Right.
Wow.
Heated seats, air conditioning, automatic.
Fozzie.
Yeah. There he goes.
Man, that's too rad. Oh, wow. Well, thank you so much, man. That's so cool.
Avery. Avery, what you doing? Avery, what you doing? You want some pizza? Oh, she want the pizza. You want that pizza? She want the pizza.
And there you have it. And we even had a nice intro where Dino was speaking with somebody. And how awesome is that? You know, Dino's actually stopping and talking to people, which makes the video so much better. You know what I mean? And I just so appreciate it. I worked on the giveaway video. It's ready. I got to get it uploaded now and finish editing it slightly at the end. I don't like how it turned out. Outside of that, it's ready, and congrats to some of you folks there. And also, we've got a great video coming up Friday, and it is Beetle fire prevention. Okay, we show you how to protect your car in event of a fire. In the event of a fire. Also, we show you how to prevent it from happening. Okay, now I know anything can happen, but we want to take them extra steps sometimes to prevent it from happening, okay? So I hope everybody has an amazing upcoming weekend here, and I'll see you on the next one.